anything. Waiting. Artificial intelligence is not difficult.
You do not need a degree.
It is made for normal people.
Learning. It saves your time. In Laylai, AI helps you learn faster. AI helps you think clearly. Just start small. Again, you can start today. Just start small. AI helps with daily tasks. It makes ideas clear. AI improves your writing. Minor challenge. It keeps you focused. AI helps you plan better. It reduces your stress. It reduces mistakes. AI helps you save money. And it removes confusion. AI helps you get ideas. It boosts your confidence. AI helps you create content. Our knowledge. AI helps you stay organized. It simplifies your life. It gives you clarity. Now, AI helps you make decisions. Ultimately, it saves your energy. An AI helps you grow faster. Welcome to the future. Right. This is our wish your time. Your journey starts now. AI rewards early starters. You feel more prepared. You see problems differently. AI builds your confidence. AI changes how you think. You feel more capable. AI gives you confidence. You feel more capable. AI gives you confidence. Thank you for watching. This is Kaka AI.